meal prepping. So what I do, I prep my meals for 4 days out. And I think I'm running out of a couple of items. So with that being said, we're gonna see what I have. So with that being said, wow, a couple of things. I got my chicken broth that I do my brown jasmine rice in, but I don't have enough jasmine rice, which means I'm going to have to go get some more jasmine rice. Bomber. Check something else out. Okay, let's see what's in here. My strawberries. Got that. Don't gotta prep that though. Pineapples. Got my veggies, spinach. Yep, okay, bluebell. Oh, dog. That's not mine. I don't eat that bluebell. Let's see. Got my chicken fajitas. Chicken breast. Skinless. Okay, that'll work. Okay, I got my blueberries back there. Yeah, that's blueberries. All right, let's see what else I got. Okay, so I have I'm running out of my ground turkey burgers. And I'm running out of my pink salmon, which is that there. So I have to restock up on that. Wow. Man, I'm gonna do I gotta restock for the whole next 4 days. Be right back. Let's see what else I need. Alright, so let's see how much brown jasmine rice I got left in here, which I think I don't have much. And I don't. Oh man, I'm out. So, yep. I had to hit the grocery store and do that. Let's see what else. Okay, so I finally have my jasmine rice to prep my rice for the week. Like I said, that is 33% less sodium chicken broth I use. Use this, and I use a half. This measures about 4 cups of jasmine rice. So I put it in here, and that'll be it. Alright, so I'm going to plug this bad boy in right here. Take that out there. Get it out of here. And, right, so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to use, let's see here. One serving is a 1/4 cup. 18 servings is in this pack. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put it at 9 servings, which will be half of this bag. This means 9 servings would give me 2 cups, roughly. Let me see. Somewhere in there. But anyway, I'm going to use half of this. Use half of this here. Use half of that. Half of this. Quick. So anytime you're doing rice, put it in a strainer and clean it off. That's what I do. And that being said, so that's half the. So that's half. It's about half right there. Half the bag of rice, right? So what we're gonna do is I'm going to now some cold water, that bad boy like that, right? I'm gonna move it around here. You know what I'm saying? Move it around. Move it around until. Alright, after that, what's going to happen is, alright, so since rice has been drained, clean. Put it back there. Right about there. Right? And what I'm going to do is even that bad boy out. I don't think that's enough rice. I had to put some more rice in there. Alright, now that is enough there. So, now comes the chicken broth. Bad boy right here. So, do open that here and pour all of that bad boy in there. Now, that being said, I like to add some water to that. Believe it or not, add a cup of water to that. I need to add some more. Add some more. Yep. Because what happens is this, for some reason, this thing cooks fast, and I always have to add liquid to it anyway. And I will put some garlic powder in that bad boy. Yeah. Right? And I stir it up. Right here. There. Then after that, close the lid on that bad boy and on the power. And that is the finished rice right there. I think this gonna last me for a week though. Yeah, this should last for a week, yeah. Yep, that lasts me for a week.